Today we're reviewing the REDTIGER F7NP 4K dash cam, a front and rear camera setup packed with premium features, fast Wi-Fi, and excellent night vision. Let's take a closer look. True 4K front plus Full HD rear recording. The front camera captures ultra-sharp 4K 2160p video, while the rear offers clear 1080p coverage, giving you full protection from both sides. STARVIS 2 sensor for low-light performance. With Sony's latest STARVIS 2 sensor, the dash cam delivers bright, detailed footage even on dark roads. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, 20 MB per second fast transfer. It features 5.8 GHz high-speed Wi-Fi, allowing for super-fast video download straight to your phone. Free memory card included. You get a free microSD card, so the dash cam is ready to use right out of the box. Built-in GPS plus WDR Night Vision plus 24H parking mode. GPS logs your speed and route, WDR enhances nighttime clarity, and parking mode records incidents even when your car is off. Excellent 4K clarity. Road signs, license plates, and small details are extremely clear. Very fast Wi-Fi transfers. 20 MB per second download speed saves you tons of time when retrieving footage. Great value with included memory card. You save money and get premium features right out of the box. App interface could be smoother. Functional, but not the most polished experience. Rear camera quality drops in very dark areas. Still usable, but not as strong as the front 4K. If you're looking for a high-quality 4K dash cam with fast Wi-Fi and excellent night vision, the REDTIGER F7NP is a top choice. Check it out here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.